Hi, my name is Patrick, and this video should tell you about a shortcut workshop which we are launching, which will help you with different exams, like from IPMAT Indore, Rohtak, JIPMAT, NPAT, CET, CET, Maharashtra CET. So Maharashtra introduced the CET exam for the BBA BMS course in Maharashtra. Xavier's is a good college which is taking up this. A lot of good colleges will be there, right from Kota, Jain. There are many good colleges which you can look at taking admission to the CET. So I think you should write a CET. Apart from this, NPAT for Narsimonji, CET for Symbiosis, and obviously IPMAT, Indore, Rohtak, JIPMAT for the IIMs. So these are for 10 plus 2 students. So people who are interested in these courses can apply. So this is basically a shortcut workshop, okay, conducted by me, Patrick, and Roshil. So we will be guiding students in terms of how to crack the examination and how to go about doing well as far as the exam is concerned. Okay, so the workshop basically there will be online plus the classroom session. So you will have an online session as well as classroom session. The two different batches. So people who are not from Thane or around Thane, they can sit for the online session. People who are around Thane maybe can come for the session at Thane. Okay, so we'll be conducted by Patrick and Roshil. We'll be conducting the class. It will be Monday to Friday. So then 40 plus hours of live lectures. So there will be 40 hours of live lectures which will be teaching different methods, shortcut strategy for the different examination and how to solve it. Since the topics basically are common across exam, I mean they will have mathematics and English and logic. So technically whatever will be taught will help you for across sections. But yes, we will have strategy specific to our exam. For Indore, what is the strategy? For Rohtak, what is the strategy? As well as some shortcut techniques for specific colleges. The course will start from 11th April and the fees for the same is 4,900. Right. So this is the brief details about the workshop, the shortcut workshop. Basically open for students who are 10 plus 2, into 10 plus 2 and looking for the examination mentioned above. Right. So giving you my details, my name is Patrick. I've scored 100% 6 times in CAT, also scored rank 1 in ZAT and CET. Been training students for these exams for more than 20 years now. Right. So if you want to enroll for this course, you can go to the link provided to you, or you can contact us on these numbers or email to us support@coinacademy.com. You can also WhatsApp at 9821314788. Right. So these are the how you can contact us, and we'll provide you the information regarding the course. Right. Thank you.